Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. Today we are discussing with one more important question from CSIR, right? So we are under the mathematical methods of physics. Every day I am teaching mathematical methods of physics. Each and every topic I am teaching one question to you from each and every topic, right? So we are under the completion of the core syllabus of the mathematical methods of physics. This is the last topics of probability theory. After completion of the complex analysis, probability theory is there. So what is the probability theory? Once you have to see based on this probability theory, elementary probability theory, in the previous video I did one class. So after that, according to your syllabus, random variable is there. After the random variable, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, binomial distribution, and central limit theorem is there. If four videos I have to take and 4 days I have to take, I will finish this core syllabus of the mathematical methods of physics. After finishing the core syllabus of the mathematical methods of physics, we have to start the advanced syllabus of the mathematical methods of physics also in YouTube. And advanced syllabus of the mathematical methods of physics according to CSIR curriculum, green function, partial differential equation, and numerical methods, and tensors, and lastly group theory is there. Those things we have to discuss after the completion of this, right? So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And not only our YouTube channel, you have to download our app also. That is, our app is Quantum Online Academy app. From this app, you able to get the DL and JL physics content course, and simultaneously you able to get the CSR and GATE physics course also. Clear? Whatever the courses are available, those courses you have to search in our app also. Clear? So now you have to see. First, be able to take what is the things is going to happen in CSR June 2012. They are asking based on the random variable question. So first you read the question. Question may be big, too big, but solution is very simple. Once you have to see what is that. A bag contains many balls. Suppose if you have to take one bag, so that bag contains, you have to take one bag. This is a bag. This bag contains many balls are there. In this bag contains many balls. Suppose you have to take many balls. A bag contains many balls. A bag contains many balls, each with a number painted on it. Each with a number. So each with the first ball you have to paint one. The second ball you have to paint two. The third ball you have to paint three. So 5, 6, 7, and so on. You have to paint up to the n. Right? Each ball you have to paint it. A bag contains many balls, each with a number painted on it. There are exactly n balls are there. How many balls are there? There are exactly n balls are there, which have the number n, namely one ball with one, two balls with two, and so on until n balls are there. Clear? How many balls are there? N balls are there. So therefore, what we have to write? The total number of balls you have to write first. Total number of balls. The total number of balls is equal to, the total number of balls is equal to how many balls? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on up to n balls are there. So therefore the sum of the n numbers is equal to what we have to write. So there is a formula. What is that formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula, right? The sum, this is the sequence series. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus sum of the numbers, sum of the natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. We have to write the total number of the balls, right? First you have to see a bag contains many balls with each a number painted on it. There are exactly n balls which have the number n, namely one ball with one, two balls with two, and so on until n on them. Until n on them. An experiment consists of, this is the capital N you have to write, until n on them. An experiment consists of choosing a ball at random. So the experiment, we are choosing one ball randomly, we have to choose. How we have to choose? Randomly one ball we have to choose. Randomly one ball we have to choose. So that ball we have to take it as a K, right? The kth ball you have to take. So kth ball, right? So the randomly one ball you have to take. So that ball you have to take it as a kth you have to take. So now an experiment consists of choosing a ball at random, noting the number on it, and returning to it on the bag. After taking this, and you have to return into the bag. So what is the probability? Once you have to see the probability for choosing a kth ball at randomly. The probability for choosing the probability for choosing the kth ball at randomly. Kth ball at randomly. How we have to choose kth ball at randomly? Right. So there is a probability. How many times we have to take? Each time you have to take one ball, kth ball, that is K. Total number of balls. Total number of balls is equal to n into n plus 1 is divided by u. So therefore, the denominator by denominator, it goes to k by n into n plus 1. This is the kth ball, right? Not they are not asking the probability. This is the probability pi you have to take, right? Noting the number on it and returning to the back. If the experiment is repeated a large number of times, if the experiment is repeated a large number of times, the average value, the number will tend to. What is the average value? Which distribution it is? It is a discrete distribution. It is not continued distribution. The average value they are asking. How we have to calculate the average of it? Average. Average of the experiment average of the experiment 8 given by, what is the formula? Summation of ki pi is divided by summation of ki is equal to 1. We have to take it as a, that is the probability you have to take. This one is the average value. Average of the kth ball is equal to, which one we have to write? This is the formula for a discrete probability distribution. For a discrete probability distribution, this is the average value, because the summation of pi is equal to 1. The summation of pi is equal to 1. What is this? For discrete probability distribution. For discrete probability distribution. Probability distribution. For discrete probability distribution, which one we are taking? Summation of pi is equal to 1. Therefore, that average value, summation of ki pi is equal to, what we have to write? Summation of ki is equal to k into summation of pi. Already we know 2k is divided by n into n plus 1, correct? 2k is divided by n into n plus 1. So 2 you have to take outside. These are the constants. N into n plus 1 also you have to take outside. Summation of k square. What is the k? K is equal to, it is a randomly variable. Randomly 1, 2, 3 are variable. Summation of k square is equal to 2 is divided by n into n plus 1 into So what is the summation of k square is equal to? Summation of k square is equal to summation of k square is equal to means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on, which is equal to what we have to write here, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is divided by 6. This is the squares of the number, sum of the squares of the numbers is equal to, we know that formula, the fundamental formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is divided by 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, n get cancel, n plus 1 also get cancel. Therefore, what is your answer? N plus 1 is divided by 3 is your answer. This is the average of that particular probability to take that value. So what is that? The average value the number will tend to. So what is that average value of that number tend to? 2n plus 1 is divided by 3. n by 2 is not correct. N plus 1 by 2 is not correct. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is not correct. Which one is correct? 2n plus 1 is divided by 3 is correct. How simple it is? It's very simple. First you know the question. A bag contains many balls. A bag contains many balls is with a number painted on it. There are exactly n balls which have the number n, right? An experiment consists of choosing a ball at random, noting the number on it, and returning to the bag. So if the experiment is repeated a large number of times, the average value of the number will tend to. How we have to calculate? First you have to calculate the number of balls. After that you have to calculate for each ball probability you have to calculate. After that that average value of that value, average value of the each ball probability, because each ball there is a probability, there's so many large number of times we have to take, n number of balls are there, so that's why n number of probabilities we are getting. So therefore you have to calculate the average value of that. So that average value of that particular ball probability is equal to, we have to calculate the 2n plus 1 is divided by 3 we are getting. When they are asking this question asking an CSIR June 2012 they are asking based on the random variable. Like this we have to do in our competitive examinations, right? So please once again you have to keep in your mind, we started the CSR and GATE physics course. Go to our app, that is Quantum Online Academy app. Otherwise you have to consult with my number. My number is 9908437460. This is my number, right? You consult and you negotiate and you join. It will help you, because in the day before yesterday they gave the DL examination is going to, notification will come in June 2025. In June 2025 there is a notification going to come. Exam, they will conduct the exam September month, September 2025. They will going to conduct the September 2025. How many months are there within the June, July, August, September? Within 2 months. Within 2 months, you are unable to learn such type of the big syllabus. So that's why initially you have to take the coaching and you have to prepare at least 6 months. It will take place to read and to write and to remember all these things. So that's why you have to concentrate. You have to concentrate for DL exam. We were qualify the set Telangana State Public Service Telangana State Eligibility Test and NET National Eligibility Test and CSIR JRF, CSIR JRF who completed the PhD. So right, so these people eligible to write the DL examination. This please remember, set, net, CSIR, PhD, CSIR and PhD, CSIR, JRF or whatever it may be. So these people are eligible to write the CSIR exam. If you clear all these things, if you have need to content, so please subscribe our app and then you listen, you have to learn. That is the purchase one only. So for fees purpose, you have to negotiate. JL physics, maybe Gurukula I'm expecting, general JL, whether it may be come or not, we too don't know, because some junior colleges, they are established, maybe notification it come, posts, well, very less only it will come. So maybe we are expecting the JL physics also, right? So courses will appear like this in CSIR and GATE physics. Course will appear like this, JL physics course will appear like this, DL physics course will appear like this. So, and each and every individual paper also we started, you need not to pay this much of money, and we have to take individual paper, whichever the paper you are lack, those paper you have to take. So that paper also you have to choose. Mathematical methods of physics, now complete syllabus is there, maybe within 2 classes we have to finish this mathematical methods of physics. CSIR and GATE mathematical methods of physics complete portion is there. You choose this course and you have to learn the mathematical methods of physics. This is very uh, interesting course. Nowhere you will get. Maybe you go to the Kota and Delhi and go to the Hyderabad, anywhere, so you unable to get, right? This course is very important and very interesting course to you. So please choose this course, right? Thank you. Maybe tomorrow we will meet with another important CSR question from the probability theory. So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.